How to make up a basin waste. There's the waste exit, 1.25 inch, 2 washers, the nut, PTFE and some clear silicone. Some of you might want to use plumber's mate, which is better because it's easy to wipe off. PTFE, I'll show you why I got that later on. Here goes. I put some PTFE on the thread just to give it more strength when I'm tightening up the back nut. I put some clear silicone on. If you look, there's some holes. That's for the overflow. So here's the washer that seals between the back nut and the basin. I'm going to slide it up like so. Keep it nice and central. Now the back nut. Always be careful not to over tighten these back nuts because they do crack and they can split really easy. Hence why I put a bit of PTFE in the thread, just so it has something to just grip more to. Tighten up. Don't go excessive because you'll split the plastic nuts.